By the end of this lesson, students will be able to define the terms complex ion and ligand, classify ligands as monodentate or polydentate, explain the formation of complex ions by ligand exchange, name complex compounds. Transition metals have a tendency to form complex ions. A complex ion is made up of a central metal ion bonded to other molecules or ions by coordinate bonds. The ions or molecules that surround the metal ions are called ligands. Every ligand has one or more lone pair of electrons. Ligands are classified as monodentate or polydentate. Click the monodentate button. A monodentate ligand forms only one coordinate bond with a metal ion. A polydentate ligand forms more than one coordinate bond with a metal ion. Click the bidentate button. A bidentate ligand forms only two coordinate bonds with a metal ion. Click the tridentate button. Click the tetradentate button. Click the hexadentate button. Some ligands form stronger bonds than other ligands with a particular metal ion. Such ligands can displace the weaker ones to form new complex ions. Let us carry out an experiment to demonstrate this exchange of ligands. Click the Step 1 button to dissolve some copper 2 sulfate in water. Tetra-aqua copper 2 ion is formed. This complex gives the solution a blue color. Now, click the Step 2 button to add chloride ions to the solution. The chloride ions displace the water molecules to form another complex ion. The solution is now green in color. Click the Step 3 button to add aqueous ammonia. Ammonia molecules displace the chloride ions to form yet another complex ion. The solution is now dark blue in color. The number of coordinate bonds from ligands to the central ion is known as the coordination number of the central ion. The most common coordination number of the D-block metals is 6. Click 6. Complex ions with coordination number 4 and 2 are also found. Click 4. Now click 2. Summary. Complex ions are composed of a central metal ion bonded to ligands by coordinate bonds. A ligand is any ion or molecule with one or more lone pairs of electrons. A monodentate ligand forms one coordinate bond with the metal ion. A polydentate ligand forms more than one coordinate bond with the metal ion. Complex ions can be formed by ligand exchange. Coordination number is the number of coordinate bonds from ligands to the central ion.